জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
What did she say? Who has she promised?
You are lying again. Forget what she said, sir. Ever since she came here, she has been saying that she has promised 𝐑𝐵to's dead mother that she will save 𝐑𝐵to's life. Stop trying to fool us.
I'm not lying, believe me. I have really promised 𝐑𝐵to's mother.
Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. You have been shedding tears while asking us to believe you. Who will believe a fraud like you? And why? Why will they believe you?
They are again scolding her. I hope she doesn't reveal the truth out of fear. If this happens, then stop, Trinayani. Keep quiet, please keep quiet.
Lourdes knows that I have promised 𝐑𝐵to's mother, but no one over here is believing me. They are all calling me a liar and a fraud. Will everyone refuse to accept what's happening in front of their eyes? 𝐑𝐵to, will you not understand this either? Isn't it true that I didn't let you consume the poison? Tell me. 𝐑𝐵to, don't drink it. Don't drink it. Don't drink that milk. I won't let you have this milk. Give it to me. Don't drink it. Come on.
Don't you dare touch me.
Why don't you understand? The milk is poisoned. It has poison in it. When you were going to be involved in a car accident, didn't I save you by jumping in front of your car? Is this not true? Please tell me, 𝐑𝐵to, is this not true? Stop the car! Stop the car!
Trinayani is right. Trinayani saved 𝐑𝐵to's life twice. Will 𝐑𝐵to still throw her out? Won't he show his gratitude? He surely will. 𝐑𝐵to isn't a bad human being.
Trust me, please. Trust me. I haven't come here to harm you or your family, 𝐑𝐵to. I have promised your mother that I will protect you from every trouble and danger in your life. I have come here to keep the promise I made to her. Please don't throw me out. Why are you quiet? Why aren't you saying anything, 𝐑𝐵to? Please speak up. Please say that you...
I have nothing to say. I won't say anything against my grandma's decision. You have to go. You have to leave the house.
Sir, you can read the palm lines, right? So can't you read one spine? Are you not able to see that I will save him by giving my everything? How will I protect him from trouble if I go away from here?
Yes, sir. Trinayani has saved 𝐑𝐵to's life twice before. That's why I also request you, sir, please study Trinayani's palm lines once more. You will see she's 𝐑𝐵to's protective shield. No, I won't. I already told you.
that what I calculated is accurate. This girl is not Dripto's protective shield. And you all are repeatedly questioning my knowledge. If you don't have faith in my knowledge, why did you call me? You could have asked someone else to study her palm lines.
No, priest. What are you saying? You are my guru. Those who dare to disrespect my guru, I won't listen to them. Topo, you won't say a word to my guru. What he has said is right. Absolutely right. There can't be any more discussion. Forgive him. Please forgive him, priest. He couldn't understand.
I have said what I had to say. If you all really have complete faith in your guru, then don't let this girl stay in your house. As soon as possible, send her back to her own village. Otherwise, disaster.
Sir, will Trinayani have to go back to her village?
Yes, she will have to. Priest has given us a solution and we'll follow that. Priest has said that this girl is not Deepu's protective shield, so she will have to go away from this house. I know you are not happy with my decision, but nothing is more important to me than my grandson's life. Since you brought this girl as this family's daughter-in-law and my granddaughter-in-law without any consultation, it is your responsibility to send her back to the village. You deserve this punishment.
If they send her away, there will be a problem. Sending her away is too light a punishment for her. But I can't ask them to let her stay here now. Let me wait and see what happens. For now, I have to pretend to be good to this old woman.
Oh, priest. Please tell me, what is it that we should do now?
Come to my ashram in the evening. Dripto will have a protective shield, and I have to offer prayers to find such a girl.
Good. When my guru has taken the responsibility, we will find Deepu's protective shield. And a liar and fraud won't be able to fool us.
Oh, Lourdes, what kind of game are you playing with me? I came here after getting a hint from you. Why is everyone still misunderstanding me?
Mom, look at her face, Mom. Don't you feel pity for her?
Look, Tapabrata, we pity those who are innocent. You may give her a certificate, but it has still not been proven that she did not poison the milk. So I don't see any reason to pity her.
You better not interfere, Vicky. This is our family matter. I don't see the need for you to talk. Please, keep quiet.
Why will Uncle be quiet? What wrong did Uncle say that he'll have to keep quiet? And what do you mean by he won't talk in our family matter? Dad, you're trying to say that Uncle isn't a part of this family. He's an outsider, right? Fine, I agree that Uncle is an outsider. And those who consider themselves a family and claim so, an outsider is more concerned about me. They care more than my family. At least an outsider is concerned about me.
Deepu?
Dad, what Uncle said is absolutely right. We pity those who are innocent. And this girl, since the last so many days, she's saying that she's my protective shield. And it has been proved now that she's lying. What's the guarantee that she isn't pretending to be innocent? Dad, what's the guarantee that she didn't poison the milk? So why will Grandma unnecessarily pity her?
You are filled with so much anger and hatred for me.
Don't you dare, girl. We don't want to listen to your emotional lines. We trust our guru. So, as he said, you will have to leave this house. That's it.
Oh no, this oldie is hell-bent on sending her away. But if she goes away, how will I avenge my sister's suffering? No. Now I have to do something. Aunt, can I say something? Actually, she deserves more severe punishment for what she has done, to be honest. Don't let her off the hook so easily.
I don't know about punishment, Mother. I just have a request. Please don't throw the girl out of the house like this. If it is about proof, we shouldn't forget that. Just the way it hasn't been proven that she didn't poison the milk, it hasn't been proven that she poisoned the milk either. Right, Mother?
You could have been a lawyer, Pratima. It would have been useful. Listen, there is a saying. It's good to throw junk out of the house. If you keep it at home, it spreads. It doesn't stay in a corner then. It scatters everywhere. Looking at you, I have realized it is true, Pratima. So, it is better to throw this junk out of the house as soon as possible. I won't take the risk of keeping it at home.
Oh no, this oldie is determined. How do I change her decision now? But Aunt, think about it. You can throw her out considering her to be unwanted. But Aunt, won't you be letting her off easily?
Trinayani, Mom wants to throw you out. But you need to stay here for Deepu's well-being. Don't be quiet. Do something. Please do something.
What will I do, Father? What will I do? He's not ready to listen to anything. I can understand you all suspect me, and my words won't prove me innocent. That is why I am saying this. Please give me a chance. I will find out who tried to poison him. I told you that I'd find the person who poisoned the milk, right? So please let me stay here until that time. Otherwise, you won't get to know that who wants to harm Dripto.
Hey, listen. This is my house. I live here with my own people. We don't need your help. If anyone wants to harm me, I will find that person. I don't need an outsider's help, all right? Grandma, why are you letting her talk so much? Throw her out of the house right now. I don't want to see her even for a moment. She reminds me of my mom consuming poison and suffering. You please throw her out, please.
Please don't say that. I didn't want her to suffer because of me. For her, I am...
Let it be, Trinayani. Let it be. Don't argue any further. You have sacrificed your self-respect many times for me, but not anymore. You're right, my child. His heart is filled with hatred and scorn for you. He doesn't want to understand what's good for him. You know, he wants to get peace of mind by sending you away. If you are so bad, then go away from here. Come with me.
Father,
Come on.
Father, if I go away, he will be in grave danger. At least you understand, Father.
What's the point, my child? The one who should understand, Deepu didn't understand you. No one understand you. Trinayani, no one. Just don't stay here. If any harm befalls Deepu, I don't have the power to save him without you. But what can we do? Perhaps Deepu isn't destined to stay safe and healthy. That's why you have to go. Come with me. Come on.
Oh no. This girl isn't going away. She's safely going away right in front of my eyes. Oh Lord.
Brother,
Wait! Before sending her away, I have some duties towards this girl.
Duty? Grandma, what duty?